Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do a turkey fan board. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a dried turkey fan and beard, a wooden plaque for mounting, and a strong adhesive like epoxy. Also, have a sharp utility knife, a drill with small bits, and some wire or a picture hanger ready. These items will ensure a smooth and successful project as you create a lasting memory of your hunt. Next, let's prepare the turkey fan itself. Carefully remove the fan from the bird, ensuring the tailbone remains attached. Scrape away all flesh and fat from the base to prevent decay. Then, generously apply borax to the entire base and between the quills. Spread the fan into your desired display shape, perhaps using cardboard and pins, and let it dry completely for at least 3 to 4 weeks in a cool, dry place. Now it's time to mount your prepared fan and beard onto the plaque. Apply a generous amount of strong adhesive, such as 2-part epoxy, to the back of the fan's base. Press the fan firmly onto the plaque, ensuring it's centered and straight. For the beard, drill a small pilot hole below the fan, insert the beard's base, and secure it with a dab of glue. You can also add a shotgun shell or other small memento. Finally, let's complete your turkey fan board. Allow all adhesives to cure completely, which might take up to 24 hours, depending on the product. Once dry, attach a sturdy picture hanger or 2 D-rings to the back of your plaque for easy display. Give the entire board a gentle wipe down to remove any dust or smudges. Now, find a prominent spot in your home to proudly showcase your beautifully crafted turkey fan board.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.